a lioness and a lion. Wow, guys, amazing. Wow. You can feel the roar, you can feel the mightiness in them, guys. You know, but they are young. You can see they are mating, guys. They are mating. Wow, guys. Amazing, guys. And then we have another female there that's residing there. So basically, okay, that's good. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it's your boy here, Khalid. Today we are here in Beerta Darusalaam, which means the garden of Darusalaam. Sorry for my Somali viewers. I'm gonna put the subtitles. So today here we are in Mogadishu. Basically, we are outskirts of Mogadishu right now in an area called Darusalaam. It's basically it's a local province outside Mogadishu, outskirts of Mogadishu. So the reason is that today we're gonna explore some wild animals out there. There's a sanctuary of wild animals, various kinds of wild animals. We have lions, we have hyenas, we have Nile crocodiles, we have the impala, the antelope, and the python also, which is basically my favorite animal. So let's go and head forward and see what we have. Guys, we have a spotted hyena here. We have two pairs. I don't know if they are female or male. You can tell the difference here. You can see probably this one is a male here. It's a young male. You can see that spotted hyena, and then we have another one that's on the other side here with a spotted hyena. So we have a trough, watering trough here. You can feel that. You can see that. No, you can see the watering trough. Now, the watering trough. There's another one that's hidden there, and the other one that's sleeping there, and then. Here it says, in Somali it says Beerta Darusalaam. It says the section of hyenas, So on the other side we have the large, what do you call, the rock python. We have the largest one basically here. You can see that. If you just go inside, they are sleeping. No, I don't know if it's dead, but it feels like it's sleeping. And then we have another one that's residing here. These are the coolest creatures here, you know. They are very humble. So, yeah. So let's head back to the other section. We have a male lion. You know him. Wow, guys. We have a Simba here. We have Simba. We have a lioness. We have a lioness, a lion. Guys, they are two years old. Imagine 2 years old. A lioness and a lion. Wow, guys, amazing. Wow. You can feel the roar. You can feel the mightiness in them, guys. You know, but they are young. You can see they are mating, guys. They are mating. Wow, guys. amazing, guys. And then we have another female there that's residing there. So basically, okay, that's good. On this section here, you can see that there is a resting place, very huge area, resting area. It's kind of a park, It's a huge park consisting of a sanctuary and a place where kids and families enjoy, maybe during the holidays, maybe during the Eid, during the Fridays. Because in Somalia, we have two types of holidays. We have Friday and Thursdays. These are the two holidays these are two national holidays. We don't have Saturdays and Sundays here. Their weekends are on Thursdays and Fridays. So basically, now without to cut the long story short, let's go. Guys, remember that in the Western countries, probably in some developed countries, people say that they only have. In Somalia, we do have this kind of roller coaster, guys. In fact, this is the tallest one that we have on all the areas. This is the tallest one that we have. You can see that there are some chairs here, because since today they are not that much people. I cannot go, and probably not only they cannot allow one person to just go, with the roller coaster. So I'm gonna have to come some other day and probably show you how it is. So let's go. This is the control area. You can come. This is the control area. Different types of button where they control. This is a generator here. This is a generator. And then the roller coaster goes up there, down here. Guys, you can imagine how they gives you so many chills. So I don't know if there's Another thing, guys, is that which kind of reminds me while I was in Kenya, is that the trees they were aligned very perfectly, aligned very perfectly. The seats well made, modernized, everything is perfect, man. No one can ever imagine that we are in Somalia. Someone could say that I'm in Europe or I'm in somewhere in East Africa or in an African country or even in Asia. But right now we are in Mogadishu, guys. Believe it or not, we are in Mogadishu, and believe it or not, we have a sanctuary, animal sanctuary, and we have different kinds of distinct wild animals, especially the lion. I forgot to mention the lion, guys. We have a lion sanctuary here. So, okay. So, how many of me 3 to 4 years old, guys. So we have a rock python here in Somalia. So it's kind of constricting me. You can feel the muscles around my neck, guys. So let me hold. Okay. Wow, guys. Yes. Think more. Amazing. So we have a rock python. كم هجرة 6 إلى 10 سنة جرا. كاسم هجرة جرا هجرة. كواسا وينيا. Okay. So I don't know if we're gonna try those ones, but here we have whoa. Thumbnail, guys. Just to keep reminding every time, I wanted to remind you that I know 90% of my subscribers or my viewers have not subscribed to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel if these videos reach out to you, and kindly recommend me where to go in Mogadishu. We went to a nightclub. We have went to nightlife in Mogadishu. We went to Lido Beach. Now we are here in Darusalaam garden. Maybe it's called Beerta Darusalaam. So basically, recommend what other areas you want to explore or you want me to explore. So we are one family, and we don't want to have to to brag ourselves. Please subscribe to the channel, like, comment the video, and hit the like button, and also share the video to your families and families and friends. And that's it, guys. Make sure to subscribe.